What's up, you guys? It's your girl Kaylin, and today I am back with another video. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how to do a slick back braid. So the first thing that I am doing is detangling my hair, but I need to spray water on it first because, as you should know, you'd never detangle dry hair. Now I'm gonna put my hair in this bun so that I can sleek my hair the way that I would like it. So first I'm going to spray some water because I like my hair to be a little damp when I put gel on it. So I use my Eco Styler gel, the orange one. Well, it's not orange, it has orange words, and it's the crystal one, I believe, and that slicks my hair the best, so that's what I use. But now I'm just brushing my hair back into that bun. And I'm just gonna keep brushing until my hair is as sleek as I would like it. Now I'm gonna use my mini brush to pull my edges, baby hairs, whatever you want to call them. I'm gonna pull those forward so I can apply my edge control so I can sleek my hair, you know? Yeah. And I'm going to use that mini brush to brush it back so that this ponytail can be sleek. Now we're going to go ahead and apply my 24-hour Ebin edge control with the purple top to my edges so that I can swoopity-doop those things, you know, you already know the vibe. Now we're going to take my Kanakalon hair, which is attached to a headband, on top of my bun, and you're going to section the piece out so that you can wrap that around the base. Then you're going to take the rest of the hair and braid it. This is not staying on my head like this. I just needed somewhere to hold the braid so that I could braid. You know what I mean? Now I'm going to add this little gold charm, which is optional. I just thought it was cute. Now take that off and put that to the side. If your hair is thick like mine, this is very important. You're going to add some gel to your hair and then comb it out because you want your hair to be as, I don't know how to explain it, but you want it to be able to like get smaller, you know? Then you're going to take a section and you're going to braid it. And you're going to do this on 2 other sections in that ponytail. Now you're going to take each braid and wrap them around the base of your ponytail to create this really tiny bun. And you're going to take a rubber band or 2 to secure that so that it can stay a tiny bun. Now you're going to take that scarf off and add another rubber band to your hair so that your ponytail can be secured. Look how tiny that bun is. Girl, I worked a miracle. Now you're going to get that braid and you're going to add it to your hair. This is a headband, so I had to double it, you know what I mean? But you're going to add that to your ponytail by just like putting it like that. Yeah. And you're going to put it in the front because you want to be able to flip it backwards so that it can go over the bun. You know, then little flip, you know what I mean? Yeah, you see that? You see that? Flip it, you know? Flip it onto that bun and make it cover that up and grab some bobby pins to hold it there because you don't want it to move. You don't want it to get snatched, you know? Now I'm taking this wax that I found at the hair store. It is not branded. I don't know what it is, but I'm just taking it and I'm putting it on that section so I can begin to wrap that piece around the base of my bun. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try to perfect this bun because my flyaways were popping out and you want them things to go away, okay? Well, I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.